Welcome to Saraswati Sisukun Vagola Borsad English Medium Standard 3rd Subject Math Chapter number 1 Where to Look From. Today in this video we have to start our new chapter, okay, and chapter name is Where to Look From. Okay, from the chapter name you can understood about that where to look from means we can see any object from different views, right? We can see object from the top, then we can see any object from the side, and we can see any object from the in front of the object, right? Okay, so today in this video we have to learn about the different views of an object. Okay, before that we have to learn about the definition of the different views. Okay, now let's start our new topic, different view of an object. Okay, whenever you see any object you can see in three ways or three views. Okay, so first one is top view, second one is side view, and third one is front view. Okay, so now let's understood this definition in detail. Okay, so top view, an object which we see from the top or above is called top view. For example, when you see any object from the terrace, okay, this view we can call that top view, right? Now second number is side view. An object which we see from the side is called side view. For example, here you can see here, this is my side view, right? Okay, now third number is front view. An object which we see from the front is called front view. For example, here you can see me here, this is my front view, right? Understood about these three views? Okay, now let's start this topic with by one example. Let's understand this topic in a form of story, right? Okay, one day teacher told two students draw a picture of car, right? So all students drew a car differently. Next day when students show pictures to each other, all students are very excited, but that time Anshul started laughing. He was looking at Dheeraj drawing of car. Anshul said, it's here, if you see here two pictures are given, right? Here one picture is Anshul's drawing and second one is Dheeraj. That time Anshul said, it looks like a small box that kept in a bigger one. Both of drew the picture of car, right? Both of the pictures you can see here, both the pictures are car, right? But both are looking different. Okay, now can you think that why they both are looking different? Okay, so that time Dheeraj said he looked at the car from the terrace. So here, so Dheeraj drew a picture of the top view of the car, right? And when Anshul drew the picture, they stand up on the side of the car. Okay, so here they drew the picture of the car from the side view. Here you can see in the picture. Understood about that story? Okay, now here I want to ask one question to you. Have you looked at things from different views? Okay, and second question is, do they look from the same or different? Okay, to understand these two questions, here I will show you some images. Okay, here you can see the picture of tables, right? Here two views are there. Here first one is side view of the table and second one is top view of the table, right? Now then second number, sofa. Okay, here you can also see that first picture is top view of the sofa, right? And second one is side view of the sofa. Understood? Then third one is cooker. Okay, in this picture you can see that a top view of the cooker, right? And second one is you can see a side view of cooker, right? Then fourth one is slipper. Okay, here you can see the picture of slipper, right? So here in first picture you can see that a top view of slipper, right, and second picture you can see the side view of the picture. Okay, so from this picture now you can able to give answer the question, right. First of all I will ask one question to you. Do all the object look same or different? Okay. You can able to give answer of that question. Do they look the same or different? No, they all are look different, right. Understood about this topic? Here exercise is given, right. Here are some pictures. Okay, here you can see 6 pictures, right. Find out from where you have to see the things this way. Okay, now here in the first 2 pictures are, what is the name of these 2 pictures? Staircase. Okay, if you at home you can see a staircase at home. Okay, you can try in 2 views. From the top how can they, from the side how can they look, and from the front how can they look. Okay, if you observe the staircase from the side view, if you observe the staircase from side view, it look like a this way, right. So this is the side view of the staircase. Okay, so this one is side view of the staircase, right. Now second number figure, when you see staircase from the front, okay, you can see the clearly steps. Okay, so here we can, our answer is here front view, right. Okay, now third picture is of table. Okay, now when you see a table from the top, you can see only the rectangle box, right, rectangle or square box you can see from the tables, right. Okay, so here which look is the top view. Okay, so here our answer is top view, right. Now fourth number figure is chair. Okay, now here you can give answer which view is there, side view or top view. So here answer is side view. Okay, from the side if you see the picture, it look like fifth number figure is pencil. Okay, so from the top if you see the pencil, okay, from the top if you see the pencil, it look like a, you can see only this part, right. Okay, so here this one is top view. Our last figure is bus. Okay, when you see a bus from the front, you can see a driver. Okay, now if you see the bus from the side view, you can see the windows, right. Okay, and so this one is the side view of the bus. So here answer is side view. Okay, now let's look at this picture. Now let's start our new topic is mirror house. Okay, when you are standing in front of the mirror, right, when you are standing in front of the mirror, okay, to whom you can see that? You can see yourself, your father image. Obviously you can see yourself, right. Okay, so whenever you see in the mirror, you can see a picture of yourself. Okay, or you can see yourself, right. So now let's understand this topic by the definition. Okay, mirror house. House means that images are divided into 2 equal parts. When you see the image from the mirror, it look both sides same. Okay, from left and right side both look same. Okay, so mirror divides a figure or design into house that are images, right. In other words, objects are same on the both sides of the line. Okay, when the objects are same on the both lines and that images we call that mirror house. Okay, if you observe that both sides are objects are different, then we call that mirror house? No, that time we cannot call that mirror house. Understood about that? Now let's see the picture of one person. Okay, when he looking in the mirror, he can see himself in the mirror, right? Okay, understood about this mirror house? Now let's understand this topic by using different shapes. Okay, now we learn about the mirror house. Okay, mirror house means a object divided into two equal parts. Okay, or if you can say that when you see the figure or any object from the left and right side, both sides are the same. Okay, so now on that topic we have to start solve the exercise, right? So here look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror house? Okay, here in every picture you can see a dotted line, right? Okay, now this dotted line, the pictures are divided into two equal parts or mirror house, right? Okay, so now if you see the first picture, triangle, right? Now a triangle is, now here you can see a dotted lines. Okay, now here if you observe from the left and right side, both side, okay, here you can see both sides are equal, right? If you see the both side, you can see a same. Okay, so here this one is mirror house, yes or no? Yes. Understood first number? Now second number is, which shape is there? Square. Okay, so here if you observe the square, okay, so here if you see the dotted line, it's from the middle? No. Here if we draw a dotted line from that corners, okay, so that image we call that mirror house. But this image both look same both sides? No. So here our answer is no, right? Okay, now third number also again triangle, right? Okay, if you see here dotted line, okay, you can see upper part of the triangle and downside part of the triangle. Okay, so here if you observe that both parts are look same? No. Okay, now fourth number is T. Okay, our alphabet letter is T. Okay, now here if we divide T into this dotted line, okay, now you observe that the T both side, it looks same? Yes. So here our answer is yes. Understood? Then next figure is, you can see here the figure, right? So here this dotted line, you can see upper part and down part. Okay, it's both look like same? No. So this one is not mirror house. Okay, now here you can see a picture of heart. Okay, so here a picture heart is divided by dotted line, right? So here if you see this part and this part, okay, it's look like same. Okay, so this is mirror house, right? Now next one is alphabet letter M. Okay, so here you can see the both side, left side and right side. Here you can see both sides are same or different? Same. Okay, so here our answer is yes, right? Okay, now our last figure is kite. Okay, now this kite is divided into two parts. Okay, now here you can see upper part and downside part. Okay, it's both look same? Yes or no? No. So here this figure is not mirror house. Okay, now let's look this. I hope you understand this topic. Okay, thank you.